This is a brief tutorial on replacing a wax guard in a modern Starkey hearing aid. First thing you need to do is remove the dome from the end of the speaker. To do that, simply hold the speaker in one hand, grip the rubber dome in the other, and kind of peel and pull to remove. Below that you see the wax guard in white. To replace the wax guard, remove a new wax guard from the packaging. Again, hold the speaker in one hand. The new wax guard stick has a new wax guard at one end and a removal barb on the other end. Step 1. Insert the removal barb into the existing wax guard. Pull back to remove. Flip the stick around, center, push in to insert the new wax guard, pull back. Your new wax guard is now inserted into the speaker. Take your dome, reseat that on the speaker. And your task is complete.